Hello, Samantha. This is Mr. Caslin. I just wanted to go over with you a concept that we went over on Thursday, but I think I stole a piece of paper that we put it on, so I wanted to give you a record of it. It had to do with we were putting something into slope-intercept form, an equation like this, and we were solving for y because we know we want y is equal to mx plus b. But remember, we had some fractions, and a lot of people don't like working with fraction math, so I was showing you a technique to get rid of these fractions all in one step. So when you do that, what you're doing is you're looking at the denominators, 3 and 4, which will give us a common denominator, or LCD, of 12. What we're going to do is multiply this entire equation by 12. When I say the entire equation, every term, multiply the 12 by the x, multiply the 12 by the negative 2/3 y, and multiply the 12 by the 1/4. So everything in the equation that's added or subtracted, all of the terms of the equation. So what happens when we do that? 12 times x obviously is 12x. 12 times negative 2/3. If you need to, make yourself a little scratch pad. 12 over 1 times negative 2/3. You have to excuse me today. I'm writing with a mouse, which I don't find to be all that easy, but I'll give it my best. So we're multiplying two fractions. We can cross cancel here. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 4 times negative 2 is where we get the negative 8y. Okay, and then we have 12 times 1/4, which is 12 over 1 times 1 over 4, and that cross cancels to 3. So look what happened. We got rid of all of our fractions. So now we're just going to solve this like you showed me how to do on Thursday, where you're just solving for y by subtracting 12x from both sides. Once we've subtracted 12x from both sides, we still have to get this y by itself, so we're going to divide everything by negative 8. Okay, every term by negative 8, which will give us negative 8 divided by negative 8. Here's our y by itself. Negative 12 divided by negative 8 reduces to 3 over 2 because the negative 12 and the negative 8 both have a common factor of negative 4. And then plus 3 over negative 8 simplifies nicely to negative 3/8. So our answer did have some fractions in it, but we were able to get this equation in a form that didn't have any fractions in it, which makes, for most students, easier to solve. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you next session.